Jeremy Grantham says home prices are doomed fall amid high prices and high rates. Jeremy Grantham is certain that home prices will fall 30%. Jeremy Grantham also says we are in a big stock market bubble. And finally, he says the biggest bubble ever was the Japanese real estate market, where the Japanese real estate was worth 10x what Manhattan real estate was worth. I would argue that Jeremy Grantham is a perma bear and thinks everything is a bubble. But again, he is certain that home prices will fall, crash 30%. I guess we will see. Goldman Sachs talking about credit card losses and continuing to climb. Goldman Sachs says it's not done yet. Expects credit card losses to continue to rise through 24 and 25, not peaking until the first half of 2025. Currently, credit card delinquencies are up to 3.63%. At the bottom, it was 2.1% roughly. So they're up about 1.5 points. Something else I think I've said a couple of times, but I actually wrote for the first time on Saturday, was that for the rest of 2023, I only want you to do great deals. Normally, we're building portfolios full of good or great deals. I just think for the next 4 months, I want you to have a little bit more discipline. I want you to write little bit more aggressive offers. I suspect as rates continually head above 8%, that our job, you and me, is to find motivated sellers. So you're going to have to write offers. They're going to tell you no. You're going to follow up. Watch days on market. I think days on market very quickly could go over 40 days. I'm currently looking at anything over 30 days. So again, only great deals, at least through January 31st. At least through January 31st. As we get ready to go into the spring selling season, you and I can revisit that. You and I can see what's going on. If you don't know what I'm talking about, good or great, do yourself a favor. Get the course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. It's only $3.99. And start doing the work. Get a buy box, look at it every day, track, change, see what's going on. We want to do great deals, not average, not bad, not good deals for the next 4 months. Hopefully you saw on Friday, I believe I released a video giving you a tour of the Blind Center. This is the location where we are going to spend about 20 hours together, where we're going to host a party, a concert, and 11 or 12 speakers to really help you, the full-time employee, talk about money, side hustles, stocks, and of course, a lot of real estate, out of state, long-term, whatever you want to talk about. You're going to get to drive the discussion. It is in Vegas over President's Day weekend, so travel should be relatively easy. You can travel out Monday, so you can be with us all day Sunday. And yeah, general admission's only $199. It's less than $10 an hour for you to be able to ask multiple millionaires questions. I look forward to seeing you there. I truly hope this sells out in the next 2 or 3 weeks. We've already sold about 50% of the tickets. So if you don't want to miss it, sign up now, and you can go ahead and watch the video of the tour. You can watch it in the playlist. I think I called it walkthroughs. You can see the 10-minute video. And if you pay attention, you can actually see Olivia, which a lot of you have asked to meet. She will be there as well. Don't know if you saw this, but the UAW has invited President Biden to join the picket lines. I believe that is going to occur on Tuesday. So you can expect a bunch of pictures. You can expect a bunch of video and whatnot of President Biden on the picket lines. This is just part of the process. I'm on record talking about labor getting theirs. The stockholders and executives for 40 years have gotten the disproportionate share. It ain't going to be that way for the next 4 to 5 years, and this is just another example of it going forward. JP Morgan out with a scary call on oil. JP Morgan thinks oil could get to $150 a barrel in the next couple of years. Wild. How about the week ahead? We got some key stocks. We got Costco on Tuesday, Paychecks on Wednesday, and Accenture on Thursday. On the economic front, tomorrow, Tuesday, new home sales. New home sales are actually expected to fall. We got Case-Shiller. Will it be an all-time record? And we get consumer confidence. We also get a lot of Fed speak this week. We've had Susan Collins and others already. And then on Friday, we get PCE, personal consumption expenditures. PCE core being the favorite of all metrics for the Fed. So that will be must-see TV. And we will also get consumer sentiment. Wall Street Journal wrote a very interesting article about the housing market always being about supply. It's interesting when you hear the talking heads and the crash bros talk about demand, affordability. They often forget or have forgotten or frankly don't understand that there's a supply function. And what we've seen over the last year or so is the housing market is driven by supply, right? The lack of supply, the move up, the luxury. You can clearly see where there's stress in the system. And then again, folks, just to kind of round it out, Jeremy Grantham says that home prices are doomed to fall 30%. I'll take that bet, Mr. Grantham. I don't see it happening. But folks, like, subscribe, content. Remember, we do the daily financial news 5 days a week live. And then we do it 2 days a week recorded so we can keep our streak going of, I think it's almost 4 years now. So folks, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye.